As a family, we saddened the demise of Dad. Founder of the charity was a man of the people. Everyone loved him. All I can say is that we urge the investigative agencies to fasten the investigations so that Kenyans at large and the people of Kasipul get to know what transpired. And finally, I want to ask Kenyans to pray for us as a family in this difficult time so that we can see through. Sir Charles was a nice person. He was a family man, but most of it all, he dedicated his life to the people of Kasipul. That's all I can say.
Let me also take this opportunity to thank Kenyans and at large for having condoled with us. The condolences message we've been receiving as a family, we cannot take for granted. And also thank Parliament for the support they have given us since yesterday up to today. I would also talk about the investigation. The investigation team of Kenya. I would wish to see a very conclusive investigation, because it is so sad losing an honorable member of Parliament in town when our members of Parliament are also not safe and they are being given bodyguards. What about the Kenyans who just bear walk with their hands without even carrying any weapon? And more so, we are waiting to see the result of the same. Let also urge Kenyans to pray for us through this difficult moment. And I would also take this time to urge the family to be together. This is the time when the good bonding and togetherness